Hey, Apex traders, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys having a wonderful day in your Apex accounts. These funded accounts sure are lovely, right? You get to do a lot with them. They are easy access, easy to get to. Great rule set to keep you structured as a trader. Um, they provide a lot of opportunity, especially in these markets. So we wanted to go through and go over today's trades. Today's trade, we are closing up the day. Oops, let me bring that correct screen back up. There we go. We are closing up. Oh, come on. Keep pushing the wrong button. Closing up the day, $2,112.50 in this Apex account. So, slowly but surely getting there towards getting it funded and growing this account more and more. I wanted to go over today's trade. Go back and look at the analysis video if you have not yet. There's some key information of what we were looking at today. But again, in this Apex account, we are only trading the 2 yellow bar setup. Okay, each and every single day. You guys know it's probably coming repeated for you guys. You know what we're looking at. If you've seen the previous videos, this video is going to be no different. Our 2 yellow bar setup. But now, the psychological aspect of what we were looking at today. Okay, I actually made an error. So that's 3 days now. Starting off red, ending the day green. Starting off red, ending the day green. So I was just getting back from lunch. And when I got back from lunch, doing the analysis, responding to some members, going through, answering emails. And then I saw the 2 yellow bar, right? I saw the 2 yellow bar setup and went ahead and jumped in. I didn't even look at the criteria. So this is a very easy mistake that a lot of new traders are going to make, as well as us experienced. I saw 2 yellow bars on the screen, jumped in, got back to what I was doing, answering emails and stuff. I looked over, was red in the account, looked back, analyzed the chart, and realized, oh, oops, wrong yellow bar to enter. So, um, wanted to go over today's trades, give you guys a quick update on the account. Let's go ahead and pull that up for you guys. All right, here goes today's chart. So we started off the day up over here in this zone. This was today's action, starting 7:30. So right here when the market opens. Okay. Initially coming into the day, we saw our first yellow bar. Oh, excuse me. And the plan was to go ahead and grab a long at the second yellow bar, which adding up all these and doing our systems that we do, we knew we would have another yellow bar somewhere in this zone, which unfortunately takes it off the screen. Notice there's never any yellow bars in this window. That first 30-40 minute window, we do not trade as far as the yellow bar setup. Why? You saw what happened last week in some of the recaps. We were looking for that big move to occur. First 30-40 minutes, you just get a lot of this, or erratic action, let's say. So went ahead and waited, didn't do anything here. Right here, so this was now, so 8 o'clock, right around here. We were looking for this move to occur, see if this would break out. So got a little bit of a scalp on this dip, entered, sold up into this pop. We were green on the Apex account like 500. So stopped there, missed all this, took half profits, stopped out the rest, closed up on this trade green 500. Nothing here. This was a nice signal though, but we weren't looking at the chart this time. Um, Nothing there. Okay, then again, sequencing starts over again. Here goes the yellow bar. We got a long period of consolidation. We actually just went through this with you guys on Friday's video. Okay, and we end up breaking the threshold here at the bottom. Okay, we broke that threshold. So that was not a valid signal to take on the second yellow bar. In this case, it would have worked, but did not do anything. Went to lunch, just relaxed a while. Came back from lunch right here on this bar, sat back down at the desk. Immediately saw that second yellow bar, paid no mind to it. A very easy mistake to make. So I think we are, one of the members talked about changing the colors. It's a great idea, and we will be implementing that here shortly so that they're not all yellow. Again, as we discussed in Friday's videos, just kind of habit by now. We've been doing it so long this way that it's easier to see. But kind of got ahead of myself there without analyzing the chart. Okay, what do I mean by analyzing the chart? That was not the right yellow bar to enter. What do we talk about each and every single day in these videos? Okay, A formation. The A formation needs to break. Okay, notice that. Every video we talk about this. The A formation needs to break. Then you grab that second yellow bar. Okay, nice and easy. And this is where you look for this to continue. In this case, it did not continue, but still provided an amazing, amazing setup to trade. So, what did I do? Went in, got back, immediately sat down on the desk right here, this bar or this bar. Then that yellow bar came in. As soon as that yellow bar locked in, I just entered it. Went back to answering emails and doing stuff. I looked back over at the chart a few minutes later, and we are right here close to the stop. Stops out on red, 2,000, 2,400, something like that, 2,500, 600, something like that red on this trade. I'm like, why am I red? You know, that's when that shock factor kicks in. And then what ended up happening, analyzed the chart, realized, oops, there was no A formation here. Right? Again, same as all last week's videos, right? A formation, you need that to break. Then you wait for a consolidation phase and make sure another yellow bar sets up. I did not do that. I just remembered that we were up here already with another one. Second bar, I thought this would be the one. Again, no lows break. Very, very important. Okay, these are just counting the cycles and sequences. You have to be visually responsible to actually take the trade accordingly, which I did not at this time. So it was red 2,400 minus the green we were already. So that was like a $3,000 red. Sat tight, didn't do nothing with it, just let it be. Right here, started to see this base out. So went ahead and set the stop. Right there. Let's go ahead and set that up together so you guys can see. This is 2608. There we go. Just like so. That's what that was looking like. As soon as that yellow bar locks in, got 5, got in on this extra second dip here, got 5, so I had 10 at the time. This dipped down nice and hard. As soon as we saw that holding and reverting back up, added 5 more, had 15, and then just peeling profits along the way. All up and through here with 41. What is that? 41. It's all a blur. I think 41 something was the final take profit up in here. Was looking for that to go, but for your $2,000 day, start the week on this Apex account would be a great trade. Was not expecting that reverse. Actually got up from the desk after that. So that, or this one here, was not expecting that reverse, I should say. Again, remember the structure build that we talked about? Come in, pull back, structure build. Go ahead and review last week's on Fridays and Thursdays video, what that structure build looks like. And right here is where you want this to hold up and continue, something like that. Once this breaks occurs, you don't want any part of that. Nope, overall good day. Let's go ahead and pull up the correct screen for you guys. There we go. Oops, wrong one. How about now? There we go. So right here you can see where that setup was. Right here. And here's where that bad trade. So entered it immediately on the yellow bar after it came in. Got stopped out. Like, oops, that was my bad. And then right here, went ahead and entered it again. Added. As soon as we saw this starting to push up. And taking profit. Closing up the day, $2,112.50. So that alone in itself was just about a $5,000 trade. Again, that's an error there, so have to pay attention, guys. You see us making this mistakes, it happens. You're human. We're all human. It occurs. Again, just to reiterate what we're looking for on this, for those of you members, same thing. A formation, break, bust through the low, second yellow bar, get in, there's your stop. You set your stop right away, get that first leg, and then have this start to build structure, and then for that to continue. Okay? Not that difficult, very repeated. You see this day in and day out in these videos. So If you want to know what the analysis on the day was like, how we were able to pinpoint all this, and where the market is going, go ahead and review today's analysis video. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment below, let us know what you want to see more of, or if you want to take a try at any of these indicators or the analysis. Come on in, join us, ask about the 7-day trial, and if not, we will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks, guys.